Tn is the term at nth place. Means term in the sequence at nth place is Tn, right? And we can find this term at nth place by the rule Tn is equal to 2n plus 1, right? So that means if we want to find the number of terms into this sequence, we will put different values of n, right? So putting n suppose equal to 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, and so on, we can find out T1, right? T1 is when n is equal to 1. Okay. So by putting n is equal to 1 into the rule 2n plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 3. So what is your T1? 3. Means the first term in the sequence, right, is 3. Similarly, T2 means at the second place. So 2n plus 1 is the rule. So we will put the value of n is equal to 2 here and then add 1, which is 5. So what will be the second term of the sequence? It is 5. Similarly, we can find T3, right? Okay, so T3 will be 2 into 3 plus 1. That is 7, right? Similarly, T4 will be 9, T5, 11, and so on, right? So using this rule, we can find the number of terms within the sequence, right? So when we have finded it, then the numbers 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on, what these group of numbers is forming? They form a sequence. Okay, so what is this series? This whole thing is, this is called sequence, right? Okay, and in this sequence, the first term is 3, right? Of this sequence, first term is 3. This is the first term. Second term is 5. Third term is 7, and so on. Everybody getting that? Yes or no? Actually, let's switch on the video. Okay, so we can have a general rule for the sequence, right? And now by putting the different position, right, we can easily find what can be the term at that position within the sequence, right? So Tn is the nth term, or you can say it is the term at nth place. And what is the value of n? That can be changed, right? That is a variable, right? So you can put the value of n within the rule and you can find the nth term to that sequence, right? So this group of number, right, forms a sequence where in this example, the first term is 3, second term is 5, and so on. Are you getting it? What is a sequence? Yes or no? So we have seen that what is a sequence, right? Now, what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is also a sequence. Okay, it is a sequence. And in this sequence, each term differs from its preceding term by a constant. Okay, then we say that the sequence is the arithmetic progression. Is that clear? So write down. Okay, so a sequence in which each term differs from its preceding term by a constant is called an arithmetic progression. Okay, and now what this constant is called? This constant is called the common difference. Okay, it's called the common difference. Okay, so this difference between a term and its preceding term, which is a constant, that is a common difference, okay, of the AP. Common difference of the AP. Okay, now let's see a question. Show that the progression 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, and so on is an AP. It's an arithmetic progression. Okay, find its first term and the common difference. Okay, so we have to show that this is an AP. So how we will show this, that this is an AP? We will find the common difference, right? And we show that the common difference among the terms, the consecutive terms, is same, right? So if it is same, then this is an AP. Getting that? So as you can see, the sequence is 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, right? Okay. So now if you find the common difference and the difference between the consecutive terms, so write down clearly 11 minus 8 is 14 minus 11, 17 minus 14, 20 minus 17, right? They all are equal to 3. Yes or no? Getting that? Which is constant. Means the difference between the two consecutive terms is same, and that is constant. Okay. That means each terms differ from its from its preceding term by 3. Getting it? So therefore, this given progression is a AP. So write down. Thus each term differs from its preceding term by 3. Right? Therefore, the given progression is an AP. Right? So since this difference is same, it is constant, this is an AP. Okay. So what is the first term of this AP? Can you tell me? First term of this AP. And the common difference is 3, right? So common difference is 3. And what is the first term of the AP? See the sequence?
Ma'am, 8.
8. First term is 8 and common difference is 3. Is that clear? So now look at the second question, question number 2. Show that the following progression is an AP. Find the common difference and the next term, right? So here, as you can see, the sequence is given. This is a sequence, root 7, root 28, root 63, right? So we have to show that this is an AP, arithmetic progression, by finding the common difference, which would be a constant. And then we have to find the next one in the sequence. Okay. So how to do this? So the given sequence is root 7, root 28, root 63, right? Can we write it as root 7? 28 can be written as 4 into 7. Yes or no? 63 can be written as 9 into 7. And so on. Yes or no? That means we can write it as, now what is 4? 4 is, root 4 is 2. So we can take it outside. 2 root 7. Similarly, 9. 9 root 9 is 3. So this is 3 root 7 and so on. Right? Okay. So we have rewritten this sequence. Now we will find the difference. So 2 root 7 minus root 7. Difference between two consecutive terms. Okay. Then 3 root 7 minus 2 root 7. Right? Both are what? Equal to root 7. Yes or no? Okay. Yes or no? So you can see that difference is same. Right? So the given progression is an AP, arithmetic progression. Right? With, what is the common difference? With common difference. With common difference, root 7. Okay. So root 7 is the common difference between the two consecutive terms. Right? Now we can find the next term because we know the common difference. So next term will be, can you tell me what is the next term? Root 7, then 2 root 7, 3 root 7, then now what is the next term?
Ma'am, 4 root 7.
4 root 7. So next term will be 4 root 7, right? Which you can also write as 16. If you take 4 inside the root, it will become 16 into 7, which is root 112. Right? So this will be the next term in the sequence, right? So the given series, given progression is the arithmetic progression having the common difference root 7. So we have shown here that the difference between the two consecutive terms are same, right? It is same for all the consecutive terms, which is root 7. So this is the common difference, which is constant. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. And similarly, we can find the next term. So next term would be 4 root 7, right? Which can be written as root 112. Everybody getting this? Yes or no? Okay. So let's look at this question, question number 3. Find A and B such that the numbers A9B25 form an AP, right? So there is a sequence given here, okay, and it is already given that this is an AP. Now you have to find A and B, the value of A and B in this sequence. Okay, so how to do that? It is already given that they are forming an AP. Okay, so it is given that A, 9, B, and 25 is an AP. Okay, so if it is an AP, then they should have a common difference, right? Okay, so if we find the difference between the second and first term and fourth and third term, it should be same. Yes or no? Everybody getting me? Okay, that means 9 minus A, right, should be equal to the difference between third and second term, means B and 9, right? Means B minus 9, and it should be equal to 25 minus B. All should be same because they should have a common difference. Is that clear? Yes or no? So now from this, considering this B minus 9 is equal to 25 minus B, right? Means 2B is equals to 25 plus 9, which is 34. Getting it? Okay. So B should be equal to 34 by 2, that is 17. Okay. So in this way, we have got the value of B, the third term, right? Now, 9 minus A is equals to B minus 9. Considering this, right? From this, we can write that A plus B is equal to 9 plus 9, right? Rearranging the terms. Okay. That is A plus B is equal to 18. Now putting the value of B here, A plus B is 17. 17 is equal to 18. Okay, A plus 17 is equal to 18. So now from here, you can find the value of A, which is 18 minus 17. That is 1. Right? So in this way, we have got the values of A and B both. A is 1 and B is 17. Yes, are you getting this? Yes or no? So then in the sequence, the value of A is 1 and B is 17. So the sequence is 1, 9, 17, 25, which is an AP. Is that clear? Yes or no? Now what is arithmetic series? Arithmetic series. By adding the terms of an AP, we get the corresponding arithmetic series. Okay, so write down. By adding the terms of an AP, we get the corresponding arithmetic series. Okay. For example, adding the terms of the AP 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Suppose this is an AP. By adding the term, we get the arithmetic series. By adding the terms, that is 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19 plus and so on. Okay, so this is arithmetic series. Please note down. Now put the adding general term of an AP, right? So as you have seen that the given sequence, we can find whether the given sequence or the progression is an AP or not by finding the common difference, right? If the common difference is a constant, then the given series or the given progression is an arithmetic progression, right? Okay. Now, once we have an arithmetic progression, there should be some general rule to find the nth term, right? Because you can find the next term or maybe next to next term, whatever sequence is given to you. Okay, if you have got the common difference. But it is really difficult if we need to find, like, suppose only 5 terms are given and we have to find 100th term, then it is really difficult to find, those 90 terms in between, one by one, right? So there should be some rule, a general rule, where we can directly find, with the help of which we can directly find the nth term of that AP. Am I getting my point? Right? So here in the general term of an AP, this topic we will see like how to find the nth term of an arithmetic progression using the formula, right? So to find the general term of AP, there is a theorem which says that if the first term of an AP is suppose A, okay? If the first term of an AP is A and its common difference is D, okay? D is the common difference, A is the first term. Then its nth term is given by Tn, means nth term, Tn means nth term. Then the nth term of the AP is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. Am I getting that? Right? So if the given progression is an arithmetic progression, right, whose first term is A and the common difference is D, then we can find the nth term of AP by using the formula that Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Am I getting that? Where Tn is the nth term, A is the first term of AP, right? D is the common difference, right? And what is n? N is the position, right? Position of the term. Is that clear? Am I getting that? Yes or no? Please write down. Now let's see from where this formula came, right? Okay, this is very simple. Suppose we have an AP for a given AP. Okay, we know that A is the first term, right? First term is A and common difference is D. Okay, so what will be the AP if first term is A and common difference is D? So the AP will be, it can be written as A first term. Now, how you will find the second term? By adding the common difference, A plus D. Getting that? Then third term will be A plus twice of D, right? A plus D plus D, that is A plus 2D. Similarly, the fourth term, A plus 3D. Fifth term, A plus 4D, and so on. Yes or no? Everybody understood till here? Right? Now, in this AP, we have, like, let's generalize this. Okay, find the rule. First term, T1. First term is what? T1, right? A plus, because it is the first term, right? We need not to add D, right? So what we can write in general, that it can be written as A plus 1 minus 1 D. Isn't it? 0D, right? Then the second term, because we are finding the rule, right? T2 will be A plus, it is A plus D, right? So A plus D can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Getting that? Similarly, third term, T3, which is A plus 2D, right? So A plus 2D can be written as A plus 3 minus 1D. Everybody getting my point? Yes or no? Similarly, fourth term that is T4 can be written as A plus, because fourth term is A plus 3D, so we can write it A plus 4 minus 1D, right? And similarly, we can do for the other term. That means what will be the nth term? What will be the rule for the nth term? Nth term, that is Tn. It will be equal to a plus. Now, if this is, see, look at here. If we are finding the fourth term, we are putting here 4 minus 1, right? The value of n is 4. Getting it? So now, when we are finding nth term, then Tn will be a plus n minus 1d. Are you getting it? Yes or no? So therefore, we have got this formula, the general rule, the Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d. Means nth term of the AP can be found by this formula. Yes, is that clear? Nth term of the AP is called its general term. Okay, general term of AP. Okay, so please note down. Now in this question number 4, find the nth term and the 16th term of the given AP. Right, so there is an AP given here 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Now we have to find its nth term and 16th term. Okay, so first write down what is the AP given here. So given AP is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. So can you tell me what is the first term of AP, of this AP? What is its first term? First term is A is, value of A is, tell me.
3.
3. Yes, Siddhant, Ritvik, are you getting it? So
Yes,
the first term is 3 of this AP. Now what is the common difference? Common difference. D. What is the common difference here? Since it is AP, you can find it out from any two consecutive terms. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Right? So D is 2. The common difference is 2. Right? Now what will be its nth term? Its nth term will be, according to the formula, its nth term will be given by Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? Now put the values of A and D here. A is 3, n minus 1 into D. D is 2. Right? Are you getting that? Solve it. This will become 3 plus 2n minus 2. Getting it? Okay. So 3 minus 2 will become 1. So it will become 2n plus 1. Right? So what is the nth term? Nth term will be 2n plus 1. This is the first part of the question. Right? So we have got the value of the nth term, which is 2n plus 1. Now we have to find the 16th term. The 16th term, the second part of the question. 16th term of the given AP will be given by T16, means the value of n is 16. Okay, n is 16. Right, so T16 will be A plus n minus 1, right? So n is 16. So we can write down here 16 minus 1 into D, right? A is 3. 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 into D is 2. Getting that? 3 plus 15 into 2. 15 into 2 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. Right? So what will be the 16th term of the arithmetic progression given here? 16th term will be 33. And this is the second part of the question. Are you getting that? Okay. You can also find the 16th term by putting the value of n here in 2n plus 1. So 2 into n is 16. Can you find it here? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
16 into 2 plus 1, that is 32 plus 1, which is 33. Right? Okay. So in this way, we can find the nth term or nth rule or the 16th term, right, of the given arithmetic progression. So it become easier, right? So using this formula, it become easier to find the nth term of the arithmetic progression, right? Otherwise, it is very difficult to find out the terms by adding the common difference again and again, right? Okay. So by using the general rule of an AP, we can quickly find the nth term, which can be there in the whole sequence. Everybody getting this? Yes or no? Please note down.
Ma'am, is it minus 41?
Minus 41, yeah, that's correct. Okay. So in question number 5, we have to find the nth term and the 12th term of the AP given here. 14, 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6. This is the AP given, right? So write down given AP is 14, 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, and so on, right? So first write down the first term. First term is, that is the value of A, which is 14, right? And the common difference, that is D, which is 9 minus 14 minus 5. Okay, so common difference is minus 5. A is 14, D is minus 5, right? Now in the first part of the question, we have to find the nth term of the AP, right? So the nth term of the AP is given by the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Now put the values here. A is 14 plus n minus 1 into D. D is minus 5. Getting it? Now solve the question. Solve it further. 14 plus, this will become minus 5n plus 5, right? That is 19 minus 5n. Okay, so this is Tn. Therefore, the nth term is 19 minus 5. Okay, so this is the first part of the question. Everybody getting the same? Yes or no? Siddhant, getting the same?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Now we have to find the 12th term. 12th term of the AP. Right? Again, T12 is equals to A plus n minus 1. N is 12 here. Right? So 12 minus 1 into D. Put the values. A is 14 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into minus 1. Okay. So which is 14 minus 55. That is minus 41. Right? So the 12th term, therefore 12th term is minus 41. Okay. You can also find the 12th term by putting the value of n here in 19 minus 5. Right? Then also you will get the same value. Is it clear? Yes or no? Please say.